you have Smart Ghana update na mo hwe mo bia akwa ba e be din komo message say do comment be ba no subscribe no like to our channel. Honorable Osechi Mensah our MP for Swami constituency. Ono a na say majority leader e parliament. Wakasa wo chese to no a ija egie no ya anye ama marketers and as omo hawkers omo ton ade e wo impo nto asumu say ayi to na mo de ho no ba be didwa nto asumu nti omo usu twa adwajo na ase aban no ayi omo bonni na jese mo pesa mo kire say ase ya mama no odwane abomu no nto asumu ya anye ho say omo e de ho ba be ye ba bia e didwa na impo to no sika na omo gigye no omo yi mum 50 million Ghana cedis 78 million 50 million Ghana cedis kura no entimi NCAC za 2 points na ye sika no na mbese ekone kuti Honorable Osechi Mensah bonsu na ye ba ebe de hunkomo
adentia because cars ni gina ho chinti no on say we kwan say car be faso at a minimum speed ndi car no e gina ho nti no na eho no de bia be agitos bia de bia ho ne say de bia ho ne say so nti no na e wo say so okay say dem kan say afini nyina no yenya about 78 million from two booths wo mu nyina na afini nyina my 78 million. The maintenance of transports hono ankasa kwa adminia over here no now they pay 50 million from the 78 million ekoye improvement obebia ye digital no keke ndi ukwa na ba se na onye fi sade no ansana ifi ya wo ifi ya bus stations ho woko contracting grofo se wono mesisi eme pa ho anopanye nyumre bia 2 times. Some of the stations come here 3 times. Because one yen is and I hope we be able to anymore because he didn't see. Near sign a year a hoofy more. Near million beaker a year say a 24 or more can say a mono a diane abo woman. Near and the question ye road to the market. Ye road to the market. It's also road to any when the amount wajuma and why dear. And the meaning senka a trash mu papa. I didn't hear. Minka said mamma or mode and on you. Because yes, or mano name a moeding. You be a credit. Now what he say, beating out for me or now on your sentence at the corona. And you road to Zungunia, yeah, your friend say, before you take advantage, go yes, idea. What I want to say is that, and yet people say they go to say they develop as a marketplace. Indeed, say, who ye kwan? Who say a kwan and say, oh, ye cry. And I'm say, stop cars, they didn't know. Time I will ye kwan about stop on go for take advantage. Me about near to Antoniema. And this are so you new road, dear. Now, or block traffic, or Sibia, a kwan, nti wo ye fa wo ja fa nti bo mu a e ba no yenyina na ye mfa ba kope nti we ko no we ba we ko no we ba kaka na stop no say even 1 minute na be stop wa am for take advantage na e be ton ne ma wo insuo minerals pano num ene ade eno nti me nua me enye kwan no wo be ye kwan na wi wo ye kwan na wi a na sa ne na afiri ho ente sa they say eno nti this is a trahoda, and the minister for the what it is that I was say markets and the team develop more. The marks are for in a team kum. So, or say, who say, the markets, oh, Kumuno, and no, Ibia Isha, Yen Fanko na Minia, he fan wako. I wish he fan wako, we say, the road to Tobus or the Tonyama. It doesn't happen anyway. The way a temporary Nema Mafu take advantage. As I say, Sanimaniwa, and a crime penny between their first or more alternative livelihood. We should look at that, yes. But what can say? And unti ma the facade and Yejuma, and the minister for no, and Yabi Papa. but I recognize say enam say obi ano aduane ntino e kwan be na betumi afa e de ama sankofo no ensa akọ omana me no ya adwen de o kan ye
Honorable Osechi Mensah Monsu MP for Swami constituency and was majority leader of parliament and wakaza or kasa chere hawkers and I say oma omoton adie ewo two boot side no mo esu etwaja adwo me Nana Kofi Agye hu nkomo won so fa comment bra or comment section like and subscribe and share and mo bi so NTB Nana
chairman we be my own kasakura the Honorable Mensah Monsu with all due respect or a nice man just say I'm for linking to presidential material say and of course okay the personality the knowledge the way osikasani idea in fact obi linking to flag bearership and our president here and shadanye news kasibia so what I say however they take on this toll booth issue ne hawkers around toll booth no holiday just as meneno nya adwene bebrebe no saa na me gidi se Ghana fo bebrebe so no enya adwene ade na meneno nya adwene de ti am no nya adwene se one makawa hada budget na e ready ye no for 2022 budget nti ade bi ewum bia no your expectations now 2022 okay enti say ye budget ene budget ko nya approve ye parliament nya mfa nsan hya ase anyintumu nti ensese ne fa ba bia ye twuma until say parliament ebeje atum say budget we ya je atum ena so mo san agitum kura na it should take effect from 2022 enti se ye card ye ne na sade eche na ukodwiri ana stop toll collections all in the name say yes ye be ye free huntino prekopa eno no one factor wa hankofo bebrebe especially workers omoye government workers and say omoye legally workers omoye adwuma wo toll booth ho no wa ha wom because yes ye be ma obaabi atena yes mpenifo okase bi ebu yes ajabi wo ajabi tiase ye kale dada wisia o papa da ho na ma me da ho na kwa kuma to ye behwe oboa ye nya pagya no kohepe o pa kwase o paduan ye beka so paduan dodo so atade na say etino ye pepa bia ma omne ya pepa bia omno no two different things nti adeti na ka ya antwen na afiaka few days na yakwawie ye die ka ya antwen ne ya pepa bi kro na se be pa ma omno ansana ya start ajai to ne gigye two omon so eton ade wo ho no yes illegal ye nyina ye nim say illegal by illegal no at what point and amun say illegal ne am pammo kan say and about say toll booth unsense ba ne ebeka oda say and o say e obi take advantage e wo ye kwan a so obi koton ba bia ye kwan obi koton de ba bia ye kwan na wonu se kwan ne ye wi a and wonu se kwan ye wi definitely ya ye wi de ontun tonkoso ento ade ba we de e ba bia Muam say illegal, but most one call for a buying call for ticket more mutia. It's illegal crown almost one way or the other. They are contributing to the quota. Say a national development is also contributing. Apart from that, is economy also a play part. It is simple. Sample as I was see you told free wa. Oman grace period said the Bia Mekanya. Again, or no more who quanya and a baby a young woman betchere. But put to plus ade, Oman fair. Ana baby ba ko so as a papa ha ni kakra nso amame 50 million Ghana cedis this year 2.1 no kwansie papa ban and isi o Ghana ha no tobuto okroma nyina can say with all the authority in me say tobuto won Ghana ha nyina kakra bi pe say out of 38 tobuto in the country no metu dem say simbu aka say be 10 bi pe na wuduru ba bi ato no kra ya na ho ya kono kakra to itamamoto we ho ya kakra ene sakra drobo for say hormo achim honso sa na say akra no mpomo ye nti saa de kakra mo ye hoyi 50 million Ghana cedis na 1 million Ghana cedis kwa esenkuma ase ye pese ye kasem bia mekwa say to ni sika na ye judge ye trust be justify and enya justifiable because 70 million Ghana cedis ni sika kuma ana wa for so be yi 50 million free man akoka ketewa bi na ketewa bi kura nso kura na ebeka no etumi ye bibi 28 million Ghana cedis ebetua ye bibi pa it's aban na besa akonachi aba no obahwem no hum say to no de ye judge complete no de enye na emu yempe kwan foforo bi a ye de bagi to no a that's acceptable but as ye mana say 78 million de nyiska bia ne 78 million times 4 years ye say 78 million times 4 years some about 4 years ayo Monday into 4 years onya saaka akwan ye say a serious country and ye ya antiaka 78 million times 4 years anke yentu mfanye bibebrebe it is awesome them pam chowa ni gym omunya aka na nyati
sana na okasa wie na manfo so chese se omo ayi to na fiwa ma se de hawkers ne ka so mo na odwan no abo mo dia and se de omanfo so ye no traffic light asin so mo control se de be ya obi a be mu se ekwan ho ye nton ade
well send in hono na odi asem no ba already employment rate and unemployment rate in the country no ekosoro pa ya omo politician omo dey omo we ma creating up ko we say ni ade it's all kokopam sanfo no so dia na wo pam do omo kwhye baabi yes there's no fact I mean there's no dispute say ya wonkofo bi wo ho a me I've talked to some people omo ye pa ni bi kai no omo ye bi a ono no say ni para opa kasa de ko ye bosumi adwe bitua ka 10 million ye because omo check omo nye skapa mo sa no mo ye kakra ko omo nye skapa che say obu ha day kura na amu ama no ko betu nya be 2 million 1.5 3 million nti such a person wakaza odno ko ye bosumi adwuma on tra bosumi adwuma mu na taze kwa manu onye but dodo sen so na ye bi omo nya adwuma ni bia omo nya adwuma bia be no 500 700 crore be ye na so nya bi nti wakaza ode kasoa to ni to centers ehun tansa ko bo traffic move for so there and no prepare baby adomo ko is as on 250 preocupa nkopam wabra un create adwuma bia ma hom e ba sa de na se chaos na ya omota aka no ne afi ne ne omde baba krom pa e ma ni nyina hwa omnya bibi ombetwe ne akura e de akopa do mbi ko komo ya
ka se ne mo ye yi na to fo na yanka yeso omde omani etoto ehu se o ade a ye bi jaye oman no nipa ewo mu na mo ye den mo hwe o mega say you are fighting for the life of Ghanaians, the citizens of Ghana. Say modern money to go circumstances and a man will be cocoton a day or two good.
Of course.
And can say the car cover give you and go now.
Car crabble of Fukum the Biao
by circumstances and more good now. I didn't know mobile bayard, no man prepare baby. I must uncle phoning in a woman say illegal or more yet, my dear. But illegally no more yet, mommy Ghana for a bit me a sicky legal way, a bit me a boy. Man, yes, I didn't na makopa mo mu nyina afi ho because in the likes of Kumasi Jomu Accra and yeah manfo illegal mo tonton ade o kwan so yetimi prepare baby mo ekọ sa na we mu so na nke yese mo ton ade o tobu mo do so pa anke yese mo do mo ni hwe na nka mo so ehu se okay ade ye na nya right but ya pe baby amai
eno an de amiguso ameka say removing the toll booth no ya pre ya ho because sanke ya to ya bo asegene ho di ho nkomoko consultations a geme say sankofo ye guhoi even though what they are doing is illegal then some ya Ghana forms we right to amo right say amon so no ye pe ba bi de ma wom so atase enti say wo kokko yi hawkers every central marketer utu kope race course de ma ana afia kobi market de ma omde sankofo no so sanka ye dwene ho kwa anim se ne ye ntwen na ye mpe ba bi mo nko hye na ne ubegina wa ye illegal na ubegina kwa to ama han to atase ko ye nya ito butu fa ba to beto eti nkanya nyom kra na beba wonya pe ba bi amomo wi aka do wi ba ye kan ya pamom eti mi de still amo aye kasa se wo se pe ba bi mo no me no me ya
dwene fa che se MPP for say they are power drunk and arrogant so you want say
nipa kro kan wakan ye papa o na mpanifo mre bi atwa ne ebu bebi se ekura bekum krama no na to na pampam se de kuro ne nto krama na pampam biem eto na sum ntu kasa kura wonte MPP for especially this this time this era so am san fairly opposition omo ho be yesre papa na so omo nya nipo musua de because the esini na ebiesida 2008 ABC it's the name uti omkasa omoka ene ade yakwa sampa omo nsua hwe mfrim and perhaps biso na nya omo fault someone na ho sa blank bi ombesua bibia frim no nya the same crop of people na wo say enipa foforo na nso so no yesi akade odi achi no osua de odi kan na nte ena mpani so say aduaba na nse ade awuo no anka ntekuma nkotena se ntonko etun mi se wunua adi kan ye bi ma amfa amoa no a ade tina stila mo koso exercise sa enye omu nyina na ye dwa ni ahomaso se de ye ka no na nso eso ba ko ne kodi ifa ena ye from mfantefo once awo unifu akopo kasa bi a obeka ede enkekae bebre wo no eka part ni nyina ete ade a so mo pe break the 80 pa de a na sa dwembone ni bi mutrim si ye awie ana sa ye ndi bi emunti no ye papro mo kekamu se no akura ne ma no mko afu wo no kekamu asa ne de a ene omumra fom na sasa kura ba they should have a decent way of handling it rather than say hoye enye legal na ade no ebasa mo ankasa
ebasa mo ankasa message or comment be ba our Smart Ghana update for comment bra comment section and also be like and subscribe to the channel share no adam for so ntie nsema ekoso e Ghana na say unua bia na papa bi ntie nsema ekoso Ghana na enso e de hu hawa Ghana be si akọ ne be be kwa akoduru message say subscribe makram